Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science. In online lecture series, student, during last part we have discussed detail about the characteristics of modern fish marketing. Prior to these characteristics, we have studied different aspects of fish marketing in India. In these different aspects of fish marketing in India, we have studied near about 7 to 8 lectures, various types of fish marketing, modern fish marketing, traditional fish marketing, then characteristics of fish marketing, where these fish marketing these are to be done. All various aspects we have detailed study. In the last part we have seen that is the concept of modern market. What is meant by modern marketing and what are the concept or what is the concept of this modern marketing? Today we have observed, we have seen that the marketing is to be modern, it is to be digital marketing. Digital marketing, all process these are to be performed on a online basis, that is selling and buying. That marketing is the digital marketing, online marketing, and today it is to be flourished, it is to be increased a tremendous way. And this concept of modern marketing, it is to be most important because time, place, time utility, place utility, and that is the quality. All these aspects, these are to be easily available, these are to be easily found when we have performed the digital marketing or the modern marketing. Within time, within place, within time, within place, and within a specific price, the commodity or product these are to be available, then human being that can be purchased such things. All these are to be used, that is the concept of modern marketing aspect. Now in today's period we have seen that fish marketing in India, and in this fish marketing in India, the fourth important point, that is types of distribution channel. The fish marketing these are to be distributed, fish marketing these are to be done, but which are the distribution channels and in which way this distribution of marketing these are to be done, that is distribution of marketing these are to be performed. That's why in this part we have seen the different types of distribution channel, and through this distribution channel fish product or fish goods can be sold to the consumers by different ways, by different manners. Types of distribution channels. The important point is the types of distribution channel. The channels of distribution are nothing but, what is by channel? The channels of distribution are nothing but the various ways or various routes through which goods are moved from the place of production to the place of consumption. Place of production to the place of consumption, where goods are consumed. Such ways of goods to consumers' door is called as the distribution channel. What is meant by distribution channel? Distribution channel is the way, that is the channel of distribution are nothing but the various ways or various routes through which goods are moved from the place of production to the place of consumption, where goods are consumed. Such ways of goods to consumers' door, this is called as the distribution channel. Means from production point to the consumer's point, from production side to the consumer's side or consumer's door, consumer's house, the goods or product these are to be sold, goods or commodity these are to be sold. That distribution, that transforming of that good from production place to the consumer's home, it is called as the distribution channels. Distribution channels are also defined as, in another way, distribution channels are also defined as, it is the vehicle Weaving marketing organization, weaving marketing organization in its physical and non-physical gap, in its physical and non-physical gap between the producer, between the producer and the consumer is called as the distribution channel. What is the another definition of distribution channel? Distribution channel are also defined as it is the vehicle weaving marketing organization, vehicle weaving marketing organization in its physical and non-physical gap between the producer and the consumer is called as the distribution channel. डिस्ट्रीब्युशन चॅनल म्हणजे काय? ही एक वाहन आहे, मार्केटिंग वाहन आहे, मार्केटिंग जाळे विणण्याचं वाहन आहे. मार्केटिंगचं जाळं म्हणजे तुमचा प्रॉडक्ट, तुमचा गुड्स किंवा तुमची कमोडिटी कुठे गेली पाहिजेत, तुमच्या इंडस्ट्रीपासून ते सर्वसामान्याच्या दारापर्यंत, सर्वसामान्याच्या होममध्ये. मग याच्यामध्ये जे काही फिजिकल आणि नॉन फिजिकल बॅरियर्स असतील, जे काही अडथळे असतील, जे काही प्रॉब्लेम असतील, जे काही बॅरियर्स असतील, ऑल दीज बॅरियर्स दीज आर टू बी डिझॉल्व, दीज आर टू बी रिमूव्ह अँड युअर प्रॉडक्ट इज टू बी ट्रान्सफर फ्रॉम युअर production industry up to the consumer's home. That way, that weaving or that marketing system is called as the distribution channel. That system is called as the distribution channel. What is the distribution channel? The channels of distribution are nothing but the various ways of or various routes through which goods are moved from the place of production, place of producer to the place of consumption or home of consumer's home. That such route is called as the distribution channel. Such route is called as distribution channel, where the product commodity these are to be transferred, where the commodity these are to be moved from production point to the consumer's home by various routes, by various ways. That ways is called as the distribution channel. Then why this distribution channel these are to be important? Why this distribution channel these are to be most essential? The importance of distribution channel. Why this distribution channel these are to be important? There are various importance of distribution channels which are as follows. There are various importance of distribution channel. Why this distribution channel these are to be important? These importance of distribution channel these are to be various and these are to be as follows. Number one, importance of distribution channel. Channels of distribution create place utility. Channels of distribution creates place utility, time utility, then convenience utility and possession utility to the product. Why this distribution channel these are to be important? What is the first important? First important of distribution channel is the channels of distribution create place utility, where the product these are to be transferred, where the product these are to be passed from which place, that is place utility. In which time the product is to be marketed, time utility. In which time product is to be sold, time utility. Convenience utility, whether that product is to be convenient for consumer, whether that product is to be good for consumer, whether it's beneficial, these are to be essential for the consumer, that is convenience utility. And possession utility, possession, whether these product these are to be beneficial, whether these product it have a some importance, some value for that consumer, and due to these product consumer satisfied, that is the possession utility. When place utility, time utility, convenience utility and possession utility these are to be performed by that product, then this is the importance of distribution channel. Second importance of distribution channel, it makes the seller and buyer meet. Distribution channel, it makes the seller and buyer meet. Both these seller and buyer they can meet at the place due to the distribution channel. The third important, it bridges the gap between producer and consumer. This distribution channel these are to be bridges the gap between producer and consumers. Those are the consumer, those are the that is the producers. Among these producers and consumers this distribution channel, these are to be bridges the gap, these are to be bridges the lacuna which is to present in producer and consumer. That lacuna, that bridges, these are bridges gap is to be fulfilled by this, that is distribution channel. Then another importance of distribution channel, it helps to transfer the title of the goods. Due to the distribution channel, it helps to transfer the title of the goods from one part to the another part. Next important, the physical movement of the product. The physical movement of the product is done from producing to the consuming center. The physical movement, the product, commodity or goods, these are to be physically moved from one place where that is product is to be done, movement is to be done from producing place, producing site to the consuming center or consumer's home, consuming center or consumer's home. Such physical movement is to be done by the distribution channel. 6. Storage of the product can be done. Storage of the product can be done. Due to this distribution channel, we can storage the product for future, for next use, and that's why this storage of the product can be done when these distribution channel, these are to be succeed very well, succeed in a good manner. Next, it communicates information about availability, characteristics and price of the goods. Why distribution channel, these are to be important? Due to the distribution channel, it communicates information about availability, goods or commodity, these are to be available or not available, where is there is a shortage, where these goods, these are to be coming in market, that is information about availability, available or not available, or it is to be in shortage. Characteristics, what is the characteristics of that good? What is the characteristics of that good? Individual character, individual condition of that product, that goods can we have assess. Then price of the good, due to which price we can purchase, we can sell these goods, whether these goods, these are to be good quality, it is to be best quality, then we can purchase, we can sell these goods. That's why price is also important, means availability, characteristics and price, it can be determined, it can be, information is to be taken with the help of the distribution channel, and that's why these distribution channel, these are to be important. All these 7 importance of distribution channel, these are to be performed, and hence the distribution of these product, distribution channel is to be important at the time of fish marketing, at the time of marketing in India. The success in the business depends upon the ability of the producer. Success in the business depends upon the ability of the producer to find out the most economical form of distribution. What is the success of business? Success of business is depends upon the ability of the producer to find out the most economical form of distribution, which is the most economical form, and with this most economical form we can distribute the product, distribute the goods from producer to consumer, and it is to be earn more earning, then it is to be beneficial for producers as well as it is also beneficial for consumer. Following are the some of the important distribution channel. Following are, we have see one by one which are the important distribution channel to distribute the product from producer to consumer's door, or from production point to the consumer's point. These are different important distribution channels we have discussed thereafter. Yes, all these are the importance, and then we have see the these distribution channel, in which distribution channel we can distribute our product from producer to the consumers. Hope you have understood all these importance of distribution channel. Yes. Then next point, or the first point of distribution channel, and that first point of the distribution channel is the direct distribution channel. Just we have see that where the product, where the goods, these are to be distributed, in which method, in which way, the distribution channel, these are to be different ways, different manner. The first distribution channel is the direct distribution channel. Direct distribution channel. Yes. This type of distribution channel, which type of direct distribution type of channel, described as following manner. In which manner it is to be described in following manner. The first, producer to the final consumer. In direct distribution channel, this distribution channel, these are to be distributed by a first way, and that first way is the which type of first way? That is the first way is the producer to final consumer or final customer. This method is most common in fish and fish product. Producer to the final customer. This method is the most common in fish and fish product and used everyone fishermen on large scale in our country. Producer to the final customer. This method is most common in fish and fish product and used everyone fishermen on large scale in our country. The producer directly sell the fish. The producer directly sell the fish and fish product to the final consumers. The producer, they can directly sell their product, directly sell their goods from producer to the consumer. The distribution of captured fishes from fishermen to consumers. The distribution of captured fishes from fishermen to consumers without any intermediate person. Without any intermediate person is called as the direct distribution channel. What is mean by direct distribution channel? When fishes or when your product or fish product, fish or fishes or fish product that can be captured and that can be sold, the distribution of captured fishes from fishermen to consumers without any intermediate, without any linking, without any intermediate person. We have know that in marketing system today, more than consumers and producers, number of intermediaries, these are to be involved, and due to these number of intermediaries, benefit of these product selling is to be earned by these intermediaries on large scale, and it is to be harmful for producer as well as harmful for consumer. Means the product is to be produced by producer, but their price is to be minimum, and these intermediaries, they can more earning the money as compared to the producer as well as compared to the that is consumer. That's why that without any intermediaries, without any middleman, without any middle person, the product can be sold by producer to direct consumer. It is called as the direct distribution channel. For such distribution channel, for such condition, for such distribution, fisherman himself carry the fish, catch on his head or by some type of the vehicle such as bicycle, such as cycle, or on head, and goes to the house to house or door to door for fish marketing or the nearest retailer market to sell captured fishes. In ancient time, those fishermen that can be captured fishes, those fishermen that can be catch fishes nearby river sources, nearby lakes, ponds, or the reservoir, they can sell these captured fishes on head. They can sell their captured fishes by cycle or by vehicles as by bicycle or auto rickshaw, and they can move to house or door to door to visit the consumer's door and sell their product, sell their fish nearby their retailers or nearby those person which can use the fish as a food. To these person, they can sold the fish, they can sell the fish. That's why door to door or the house to house nearby retailer, such marketing is to be done, such distribution is to be done. It is called as the direct distribution channel from producer to final consumers or the final customer. Distribution of captured fishes by this method. Distribution of captured fishes by this method fetches good price, and fisherman receives entire price without any deduction. It is most interesting when fisherman can sell their fish, when fisherman or producer can sell their product direct without intermediaries from producer to the consumers. At that time it have fetches more price, it have purchased a better good price, and the fisherman receives the entire price of that product without any deduction. Suppose intermediaries these are to be occur, or your product these are to be sold in the market, then at that time in the market agents or commission agent, they can deduct commission of that market, and when it can deduct commission, then rent of facilities, all these are to be deducted, then money is to be earned by producer less without any deduction. When fisherman earn money, then it is to be beneficial for producer, as well as price is to be low, it is beneficial for consumer. And this producer to final consumer, final customer distribution channel is the most effective, suitable and most applicable distribution channel which is to be occur in fish marketing. Yes, in fish marketing. Then next, fishes are the perishable commodities. Fishes are the perishable commodities, hence it sold be marketed as quickly as possible, because it is the perishable. Within 8 to 9 hours it is to be not sold, not purchased or not selling, then that product is to be spoiled, and spoiling is to be done, then it is to be completely lost. That's why it is to be perishable commodity, hence within short period, within short time, it can be sold in market from producer to consumer's point. To avoid the fish spoilage, all captured fishes should be sold even at a smaller margin of the profit. एखाद्या वेळेस मार्जिन जरी नसेल, प्रॉफिट जरी नसेल, ॲज फिशेस दीज आर टू बी परचेस, फिशेस दीज आर टू बी वी हॅव बाईंग सेम प्राईस, दीज आर टू बी सोल्ड विदाऊट एनी प्रॉफिट, विदाऊट एनी मार्जिन. जितक्या रुपयाला तुम्ही घेतले तेवढ्याच रुपयाला तुम्हाला बऱ्याच वेळेस काय करावं लागतं, सेल करावं लागतं, विकावं लागतं, बिकॉज इट इज द spoiled commodity, it is the spoilage commodity. Within time we do not marketed it, it can be spoiled and it can be loss for the fish producers or the other person. That's why it is to be without any margin, without any profit, it can be sold within time, within market. This method of distribution is beneficial to both producer as well as consumers without reasonable cost. Without reasonable cost, this method is to be important, this method is to be beneficial for both producer as well as consumers, because producer earn more money as well as consumers pay less money as compared to the market, and this method is to be essential, this method is to be reliable method for the fish marketing. With the distribution channel, customer get fresh fish and fish product. With the distribution channel, customer get fresh fish and fish product at a reasonable price, and producer get entire cost. When producer can sell such product, producer can sell such their fishes to directly by the customers, customer get fresh and a healthy fish, and when it is to be get fresh and healthy fish, then the product is to be reasonable price as well as product is to be fresh, and such product is to be important because it is to be most reasonable, and these product is to be fresh, and such product is to be easily purchased by consumer. This type of distribution channel is convenient only when fish production is in small quantities. Direct producer to consumer, when it is to be done, when it is to be possible, when fishes these are to be caught, captured, or it is small production in small quantities, fishes these are to be captured by fishermen only 10 to 20 kg or up to 50 kg, it is to be possible done to sell fishes from door to door. But when bulk amount of fishes these are to be caught, capture more than 2 quintal, more than 5 quintal or 1 ton, then this method is to be not suitable for marketing because it is to be spoiled. When fish production is large quantity, the fisherman has to dispose the stock at very low cost to the consumers due to the lack of fast transportation and cold storage facilities. When cold storage and lack of transportation these are to be not found, at that time bulk amount of fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured, then fishermen can sold their product, sell their fishes with small cost or very low cost, because it can be spoiled, it can be easily, commodities is to be easily purchasable, and to avoid this purchasable commodity, it can be without any benefit, without any margin. It can be sold with very low cost due to storage problem and due to the transportation problem. Fishermen perform all marketing functions in this method. Fishermen perform all marketing functions in this method of distribution and also bear entire market risk. Fishermen perform all marketing functions in this method of distribution and also bear entire market risk. Financial position of fishermen is not satisfactory, due to which direct distribution method cannot be adopted extensively. Financial position of the fisherman is to be not so satisfactory, not so good, due to which direct distribution method cannot be adopted extensively. By these methods, they can sell their product to the middleman, to the commission agents or wholesale agents, and it can earn the money. Then, because in marketing there is a risk, time being, then proper price is to be available, found or not found, proper price is to be get or not to be get. That's why these different natural things these are to be occur, and due to avoid these natural problems, due to avoid this natural condition, fishermen can sell their product direct to the wholesaler or retailers, and it can earn the money. With this direct distribution channel, the fishermen that can be purchased or that can be sold their product, sold their goods to the consumer's point or consumer's door to door, consumer's house to house. It is called as the direct distribution channel. Hope you have understood this direct type of distribution channel. In next period we have see the next distribution channel. Thank you all of you.